Hey, business owners and entrepreneurs. We all know failure is part of the journey, but how you bounce back makes all the difference. Let's discuss the key strategies to overcome failure and come out stronger. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Failure is a chance to learn, not a reason to give up. Analyze what went wrong: a product that didn't perform, a marketing campaign that missed the mark, or poor financial management. Turn every setback into a stepping stone. Learn from your mistakes and apply those lessons to future decisions. Stay resilient and don't lose hope. It's easy to feel discouraged, but resilience is key. The most successful entrepreneurs didn't give up after their first, second, or third failure. Cultivate a resilient mindset. Stay committed to your vision and push through the hard times with determination and belief in your goals. Reevaluate and pivot when necessary. Sometimes failure is a sign that it's time to pivot. Maybe your business model isn't working or your product doesn't meet market demand. Don't be afraid to change direction. Be adaptable. Reevaluate your strategy, tweak your offerings, and be willing to make necessary changes for success. Seek support and guidance. Failure doesn't mean you have to go it alone. Seek advice from mentors, business communities, or industry experts who can offer valuable insights and fresh perspectives. Build a support network. Surround yourself with people who lift you, provide guidance, and help you stay on track. Keep your eye on the long-term vision. Don't get stuck in the short-term setback. Focus on the bigger picture and long-term goals. Failures are temporary, but your vision should be steadfast. Stay focused on your mission. Keep your eyes on where you want to be in 5, 10, or 20 years, and don't let a single failure derail that path. Manage your finances smartly. Many businesses fail due to poor financial planning. After a setback, get your finances in order. Create a budget, cut unnecessary expenses, and focus on cash flow management. Be financially savvy. Proper money management is crucial to bouncing back after failure. Rebuild confidence and trust. If your failure impacted your customers or investors, rebuilding that trust is crucial. Be transparent about what happened and communicate your plans. Own your mistakes. Honesty and a solid recovery plan will help you regain the confidence of customers, investors, and your team. Final thoughts. Failure is not the end. It's a powerful teacher. Learn, pivot, and rise stronger than before. Remember, success is built on resilience, adaptability, and a clear vision for the future. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more tips on navigating your business journey and turning setbacks into success. Let's thrive together. Thank you.